Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam, and followmytrades.com here with trade theory on Nasdaq, the Nasdaq 100 today. I just want to wrap up this series on the different assets that I've been analyzing. And this is the Nasdaq 100. So this is January 20th, 2024. So the market's closed right now. Price has been going up for the last 3 months, which wouldn't surprise me if price wanted to pull back a little bit. And I had a price point on here, but I actually ended up taking it off. But somewhere in the like 17,156 area, something like that. I wouldn't be surprised if price pulled back. But right now, price is heavily bullish. It's continuing to extend its all-time high, and it's actually reached its high about a day ago. So Thursday going into Friday, the market actually closed higher, and then it just continued that momentum upwards. And so what the question becomes at this point is, what do you do? So many people would want to fade this and try to short this or sell the highs. But what I want to tell you is that when prices establish the high like that, in most cases, it's not going to just fall right back down. So now, based on what I've seen here with this consolidation, this price cycle structure right here, price moving up here, it's not, it wouldn't be abnormal, but it's going to be probably some time before market comes back down to this consolidation area. So we have to be concerned about the nearest term that we can and go forward from there. So this is the daily chart. I would expect price to revert a little bit, like I said, over the next day or so. But definitely, as I'm going down to the 4 hour, there's some reset points that are possible. But I definitely would go ahead and buy the Nasdaq index if I was buying or trying to buy or sell. And then I would buy it with an understanding that price could pull back and maybe put me out of my profitability for a short period of time or give me a better entry point at some point. But definitely would want to buy it and not fade it because you just don't want to be on that other side of the knife. And so the market is definitely showing us that it wants to go up. It may pull back and give us some, a little bit of relief, maybe even as far as down as the 16,318.04 area. But as far as a short-term trade, even though the market, let me look at the lower time frames, there's nothing showing short right here except for maybe some pullback and reversion in price. But definitely will be buying the Nasdaq as well over the long term and expecting price to continue higher. So what would give me pause on a buy trade? So on the daily chart, what would have to happen for me is price would have to come back and close below 16,284.45. That's what that is. That's the closing price. Specifically, the price is 16,276.59. So if price closed below there, I would observe it and see if it was going to confirm a lower move. But I don't think that's anywhere in the cards in the near term. Pullbacks, yes, but not a pullback to that magnitude. So if you had to choose, I definitely would be buying the index and not selling, and wouldn't be trying to catch the top as well. Let price revert, maybe give you a better entry, but definitely don't try to sell this rally that's happened because it's a significant and it's a legitimate rally. So we're looking for maybe this year to be a record year as far as the indexes are concerned. So if you have some excess capital and you're looking to try to take a trade setup or look for some opportunities, the indexes are definitely giving you an opportunity, as well as gold. And Bitcoin, although it's stalled out a little bit and may fall a little bit over the coming days, it also has a nice upside of at least 53,000 from what I see. So definitely the markets are looking like they want to take off and really give us some real profits this year. So be mindful of that and don't be shocked because we're in January. It's already shaping up to show us those numbers and show us that's what the market wants to do for this year. So we'll watch. I know the interest rates, the Fed is being rumored to start cutting interest rates at maybe in March or the end of March. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But if that happens, it definitely will accelerate the markets and continue to grow these numbers. So it doesn't not make sense. It actually makes sense that the markets are preparing to go higher and to reach new all-time highs because we averted what people call as major economic disasters, recessions, all that stuff. And this is just the technical culmination of all of that. The price is looking to go higher. So with that, I hope that benefits you. And until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.